In this video, I will show you how to change mouse cursor. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. As you can see currently, I've just got the default cursor, which is this little arrow for my Windows PC. Now if you want to change this, say you want to change it to something a bit more exciting, then there is a really cool website which you can use. So if you open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to Google and Google search for Sweezy cursors, just like this. Then what you need to do is click onto the top result. This will take you to the official website, which looks like this. It's called sweezy-cursors.com. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to find a ton of different cursors that you can change to. You can see we got some different categories, for example, animals, and we got some anime ones, cartoons, comics, basic, and so on and so forth. In this example, what I'm going to do is select games as my category, and we're just going to find something to change to. Now, I really like this sword one. I think this is really cool. So what we're going to do is use this one as an example. So what you need to do once you've located the cursor is click the download button on the cursor that you want to use. Then come down and click onto complete pack at the bottom. And what it's going to do is download this cursor onto your PC, ready to change. Once this has finished downloading, what you can do is open up your downloads folder. So if you come back to your desktop, come down to your search box at the bottom and just type File Explorer. And then what you want to do is open up File Explorer underneath this match. Once your File Explorer is opened, come over to the left hand side, and in this menu you should see your downloads folder. So give that a click, and from here you're going to find your cursor that you've downloaded. Now what you want to do first of all, because this is a zipped folder, is actually unzip it by right clicking onto the folder, and you're going to see an option to extract all just down here. So give that a click. You can either set to the same folder and then click extract at the bottom. So once that's extracted, it's going to open up the folder. So what we can do is close this down for now. You can see the zipped file has been unzipped here. What I'm going to do is just delete the zipped file, and we're going to keep the unzipped folder here. Now we've got our cursor image downloaded, we are good to go, and we can start to change our cursor. So to do that, come down to your search box in the bottom, type settings into the search box, and then open up settings underneath best match. Then what you need to do in your settings window is come up to the search box at the top and type mouse settings, and then open up mouse settings, which will come up underneath a suggested result. On your mouse settings window, what you want to do is scroll down, and in related settings you're going to see additional mouse settings. Give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this called mouse properties. From here, you can see we've got some different tabs at the top, and what you want to do is click onto pointers, and in the pointers section, you can see that we've got some different options here. You want to click onto normal select, and then come down and click the browse button underneath. Once you've done that, it's going to load up a folder like this, and from here we can now locate where our folder is. So what we're going to do is go to desktop, downloads folder, and we can see this here, our Minecraft folder, and we can see our cursor that we've downloaded. So we're going to double click to open up the folder, and in here we've got two different file types. So if you come to the right hand side, you can see we've got an animated cursor and a cursor. So what we're going to do is first of all click onto the top result, click onto open, then we're going to come down, click apply and OK. As you can see, we've now got this cool Minecraft sword cursor like this. What we can now do, if we open back the mouse properties window, come back up to pointers, and what you want to do is scroll down this time to the bottom to where it says link select, and then what you can do is change this one as well. So if you click browse, you can actually change this to the second one in the folder, click apply and OK, which means that when you click on things that it's going to change as well. So that's how to change mouse cursor. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.